Alibaba just decided to drop this bombshell on us today, literally 5 hours ago now. So QWEN3 is the latest generation of large language models in the QWEN series, offering a comprehensive suite of dense and mixture of experts MoE models. You hear this term everywhere nowadays, mixture of experts. Activated, it's actually 200 billion parameters, but I only activate 17 at a time, man, so I'm really efficient. What does that actually mean though? Well, let's have a look. Let's explore it together. So what you're looking at here is an 8 billion, just a mere measly 8 bil. Parameter model, 5.2 gigs in VRAM size, okay. And we can go as small as the 0.6, right? Now, they did have a 0.5 edition for 2.5 last time. And I think the extra 0.1 is going to make a huge difference. And we can definitely try that out as well. It's not a problem. Now, of course, the 0.6 is not an MoE. The MoEs begin, I believe, at the small mixture of experts begins at the 30 billion with 3 billion activated, okay, which is these you can see there's a lot of models here. Okay, here it is. So that's the full way, like the Q4. So that's what you need. That is the MoE model. So this is 30 billion parameters in size. However, it only activates 3 billion. This is a 30 billion parameter model. However, only 3 billion tokens or parameters are activated per response, right? Or per second, which is very efficient. It's very energy efficient, right? But you still need 19 gigs of space to actually run the MoE model. And it goes up to 235 billion, as you can see. All right, enough about that nonsense. Let's actually get into the crux of it and let's see how it performs. So we're going to use the 235 billion parameter model, which is the MoE, and activate it at 22 billion parameters at a time. We're going to compare that with starting off with DeepSeek V3-0324. All right, now we're going to ask it to build a modern and stunning looking hello world landing page using 3JS. Let's see what happens. QWEN's thinking. DeepSeek's already off to the races. Let's see what's happening here. Now we know from previous tests that DeepSeek is a pretty decent coder, but it doesn't finish the bloody code. So let's see if it can. We just asked for a hello world landing page, so it should be able to finish it. All right, so that is DeepSeek. Not a bad attempt, to be honest. It is 3D. It asked for that, so that's cool. QWEN almost there, so having a good time. Yeah, okay. So let's see here. That is DeepSeek's hello world. Okay, we can actually. Oh wow. We're not inside the cube, are we? I'm not too sure what's happening there. Wow, it's like a. That's really cool. Okay, I'm just gonna hop out of that for a sec. See how far QWEN has gotten. So QWEN has written 2 lines less and has produced this, which, you know, wow. I mean, it's definitely like not as much compared to DeepSeek, but it is better. It is modern and stunning looking, isn't it? That's what we asked for, actually. So, all right, let's take this another step. Turn the website into a 3 top-down car racing game. Let's see. We're just trying everything that we tried in the last few videos. Okay, so what we can see here is that there was actually an issue with the server response. So I'm just gonna regenerate that. Let's see what happens. So QWEN3 has given up, unfortunately, whereas DeepSeek is still soldering on. Okay, that's all right. Let's see how far we can get. While that is loading, I just want to also give a massive shout out to all of you guys who have just subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate every single one of you. I mean, we'll go up to 93 subscribers now, guys. Like, I was at 50, you know, like this is amazing. I really appreciate all of the love, and thanks to you guys, this is what we've achieved on the channel, and it's all because of you. So thank you very, very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, you know, providing feedback and leaving such beautiful comments, and you know, having all these amazing conversations on the channel as well. You know, people actually genuinely on, you know, directly here. If I can't help you out here, then that's fine. I can, you know, we can always talk on school, and then, you know, maybe get to know each other a bit better as well. That's what I would really like. But, you know, for now, definitely do subscribe, and yeah, stay committed to the channel, guys, because the channel is gonna be going off very, very soon. I've got some really great hardware videos coming up. Okay, we've got some crazy partnerships, and I've got a lot of stuff to announce. It's gonna be really, really exciting. Some great things are happening. All right, and what was I gonna show you here in terms of audience? Right, this is what I was gonna show you here. Okay, mate, 98.1% of you guys are not subscribed. Shout out to the 1.9%. You guys are the G's. But come on, let's make that another 0.1. Let's make it 2% at least, all right? Let's do a 0.1% a day, okay? Can 0.1% of you guys that are watching these videos at least subscribe, right? Then we can keep the momentum going, all right? I'm just a little dude in Aussie, man. I'm just trying to make it on YouTube. So let's just get the hype train pumping, all right? And I promise, I will assure you, I will create some amazing bloody content, right? Just for you. We all will. You will do it with me. Let's do it. All right. I can't race. Okay, fantastic. All right. QWEN actually gave up on that, so I'm pretty upset. Cool. So we're gonna get it to try again. QWEN is dead. QWEN3 is no more, is what that is. So unfortunately, there's actually nothing we can do there. So QWEN3 is dead. That was a very, very short test of QWEN3, 235 billion. We can switch to the 30 billion MoE model, but it's not gonna be the fairest test. But I guess we don't have a choice. All right, so this actually, oh, hello. Okay, so I mean, look, we have a playable game here, ladies and gentlemen. There are cars crossing, and I need to, okay, I can't obviously, okay, the controls are whacked up. Yeah, all right, let's try switching to the 30 billion MoE against a DeepSeek chat. Build a HTML racetrack car game where I've computer. Cool. Should be pretty simple for DeepSeek. QWEN3 30 billion on the other hand, although you know the 30 to 70 build parameter models are very intelligent. See exactly how intelligent it really is. I mean, okay, so it's planning out what it's going to build here. It's going to sketch out the HTML. It's going to do some planning here. It's actually writing some stuff out. All right, DeepSeek is pretty much almost complete. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, because it's still thinking right now. QWEN is still thinking. Ooh, hello. What the bloody hell is this? What? This is a car? What? Okay, I realize that you guys can't see the full version of that, but that's literally what it's made this. If I press that, that's just nothing. Let's go with QWEN3 has created this. Why do I make these videos, man? This is just okay. So yeah, look, QWEN3 30 build. Okay, I don't think it's gonna be, you know, we can't really compare these to the OG models, but I think for like, you know, basic documenting, tasking, emailing, all that kind of stuff, agentic based frameworks with a lot of context in between, definitely doable. And I should probably show you OpenRouter as well. If you haven't seen OpenRouter before, this is a place where you can actually, if you don't have the processing power that's on hand, but you want to try the latest and greatest models that are available in the online and offline space, you just go to openrouter.ai. You can actually connect to any model you like with pretty much zero hassle, really. And it's all OpenAI compatible if you want to do those kind of things. And as you can see, you can actually connect using Klein, Roo Code, Silly Tavern, like all the great stuff that's available right now in the world. And if you go to the models here, I mean, I'm really not kidding, guys. Like you can connect to anything. Well, if we just switch to free here, because we do like free on the channel, what you can do is you can filter by free stuff, and you can see all the new models here. So we have QWEN3, the 8 build, 14 build, 32, the MoE editions, some new models that you know you may have never even heard of. Some companies, right, they exist. A new Microsoft edition as well, which is a post-trained variant of DeepSeek. We didn't know that. Give that a go. I'm pretty keen to give that a go. Right, now you're probably wondering, how do I just add this to my OpenWeb UI as well? So as I showed you last time, if you go to connections here, then you can see that we've got all of the OpenAI stuff, and then there's the Gemini stuff, right? So if we go to OpenRouter settings cog, I can actually filter, because if I don't filter by the models here and I just put this in, it's going to literally pull in every single model that's available. So we filter the models this way, so then it doesn't do that. And let's go back to new chat here. Now we can switch over from that one to, all right, cool. Let's try this out. So this is DeepSeek R1, fine-tuned, post-trained, fine-tuned by Microsoft. So, all right, build a HTML car racing game with a track that is of a figure of 8. All right, so we went from testing QWEN to now testing Microsoft. And speaking of Microsoft, actually, while that's loading, I should show you that Microsoft actually released a fantastic model called BitNet. If you guys haven't seen this, it's on Hugging Face. What this is, it's a 1-bit large language model, which is actually quite crazy to look at. If you go to the quantizations here, right, it's literally tiny, man. Like it is tiny. If you want to use this on anything, let me show you what's the actual size here. 2.74 billion parameters in size, yes, but it's a 1-bit model. Like it could run on anything. It can run literally on anything now. It's just crazy. Okay, so DeepSeek's going there. I mean, they're both DeepSeek, but Microsoft is not too far behind. We're using R1 here, so Microsoft is R1, and then using normal DeepSeek as well. Okay, so it looks like DeepSeek is done. And let's look at the Microsoft one first. So figure 8 racer. Now, you probably can't see this because of the recording, but on the bottom left, I have the laps. On the top left, I have the speed. and top right I have the time. So figure 8 racer. Oh, hello. Okay, cool. All right. Oh, it's actually got boundaries as well. I like that a lot. Okay, so it doesn't allow me to actually go off the track there. Yep, hammerhead. Oh, okay. All right, that's not bad. That's pretty much exactly what I asked for. That's okay. That's cool. Now let's go to the old deep seek. Figure 8 racer. All right, start race. Okay, so this is a figure 8. Yes. Okay, I can't drive the car. Cool, that's fine. Apparently I'm doing 4 kilometers an hour, but I'm not actually driving. I mean, the winner is definitely going to be the new Microsoft model. Do I have another reasoning model that can compete with this? Of course I do. Of course we do. It has to be the Gemini Pro 2.5 EXP. Let us do that then. Yeah. Okay, so let me copy this and let me create a new chat and let's go Pro EX25. Design must be premium, which won't let the car out of bounds. And with one button press and hold, I can drive the whole track on autopilot. Okay, let's see what's happening here. See what it's done. That's DeepSeek. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, that's working. Reverse is working. It's a bit difficult to turn, man. Yeah, the turning's a bit of a problem with the Microsoft one. Let's have a look at this. Seems pretty interesting. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yep, so it's doing a figure of 8, but it's just not in the right. Okay. All right. Well, let's build on this.